DFA. Hey guys, welcome again for a few more problems solving in DFA, deterministic state automata. Okay, to start up with, and yes, sir. Here goes the question which I am going to say like a different one what we are solving for this class, and the question goes like this. Here, we guys will be having a language where the language has a word where the word belongs to a combination of input symbols A and B. Clear? For it. Now I'm designing some word where the input symbols are A and B. Okay, now what exactly the word mean? Okay, the word does not end with BA. The word does not end with BA. For example, let me write some example like what do you mean by does not end with BA. For example, AAA. Yes, it's not ending with BA. This is a true string. AAB. Yes, it's not ending with BA. It's a true string. BAA. Yes, it's not ending with a BA. So hence it's a true string. If I write AABA, this string is a string. It should not end with a BA. Clear? So now I have to design a final state machine in such a way like the given strings, if it ends with BA, it should not be in a final state. Clear? A given string, if it ends with a BA, it should not be in a final state. Now, I do have my own strategies to solve the given thing. What does this strategy means? Whenever there is a question called not ending with, whenever there is a question called a not ending with, I follow in a different string. Like I do follow these two steps. I follow in a different way. I do follow these two steps, step 1 and step 2. What my step 1 means, first I design for ending with BA. Clear? First I design for ending with BA, and my next step what I do is I make final state as non-final and non-final as final. Is that clear? Now what I do is like whenever a question is been given for me which not ends with anything, this is an example only for BA. It can be AB, it can be only AA, it can be only BB, or it can be 0 1 1 0, anything. Whenever I heard a terminology is called not ending with, I follow these two steps. What are the steps is? First I design for ending with BA because it's easy for me for a true string. I design for ending with BA, then I make a final state as a non-final state, a non-final state as a final state. Okay, this is how I do solve the given thing. Okay, now let me write the probabilities of the given string, how exactly the given string will end with. Yeah. Okay, now I design for not ending question. I follow these two steps. Okay, not ending with BA was the question. Now I follow these two steps. I design for ending with BA. Okay, ending with BA. So my bare minimal string is B and A. Clear? As I'm ending with BA. Okay, my first and foremost, my bare minimal string is BA. Let me design for BA. Okay, for BA, I take a state called a Q0 state. I mark this as a starting state. Okay, now I move from Q0 to a Q1 with A. I'm sorry. With B, and with A, I'm going to a state called a final state. I hope everyone are clear. This quiz, first I design for BA, so B and A. This is my bare minimal string. Okay, now what next? BA ending with BA, I'm designing it, so it can be AA's BA, correct? And it can be in any format. Now, the given diagram, I'll make sure, let me design with a proper DFA diagram. Okay, whenever I say a proper DFA diagram, how should I end with a proper DFA one? Okay, now what I follow is, I'm in a state called Q0, I've been used the symbol A, I've been used the symbol B. Now I haven't used the symbol A. What I have to do? Can this be A? Can this be A? Perfect. That says n number of A's I don't mind, but n number of A's be A. I'm done with it. Is that clear? N number of A's be A. Correct. I'm done with it. Okay, now in a state called Q1, I've been used the symbol A, but I am not used the symbol B. So what I will do? So where I can send B? Can I make it as a self loop? Can I send it to a final state or can I send to a Q0? Perfect. I will make a self loop of B. Now you start iterating. A is B, A. Perfect. A is B, B is and A. Anyways, I'm ending with B and A. That's my string. So whatever the thing is, I'm ending with B and A. Okay, now I'm in a state called Q2. I'm in a state called Q2. So now I haven't used both the symbols A and B. So what I can do? Can I use like this? Can I use a self loop and write AB? Can I use self loop and write AB? Yes or no? No, I can't write because my string says it has to end with AB. If I write a self loop, B, A, A. For example, I write here. If the string is B, A, B, A, A. It's going in a final state, but the string is wrong. So hence, I can never write AB in a final state. Okay, now, A in model. Okay, now I can never give a self loop. Can I send here or can I send here? Okay, now if I send the value A, if I send a value A over here, let me have a trace. B, A. I'll write a string. B, A. So cross that whether it's going to a final state or not. B, A. I'm going to a final state, but my string is wrong. So I can never send here. Okay. Now, I can never send to Q1. Let me try to sending for Q0. Can I send A? Now, let me trace. B, A, n number of A's, B. Is that clear? Yeah. Now I can send to Q2 to Q0. Now, let me trace. I've been done with A. Now I have to do with B. Okay. Now I will do with B. Can I send B over here? Can I send B over here? Okay. B, A, B, A. Perfect. It goes. But if I write a string B, A, is my string is true or false? String is true. B, A. String is true and I am in a non-final state, and hence this can't be done. So what I do? Let me think. Can I send B over here? Can I send B over here? Okay, now B, A. Done. Is that clear, guys? This is what I meant to say. Okay, the given thing. Now this is a proper DFA. Now I've been done with my step 1. Now I'll do a step 2. Whatever step 2 says, rewrite the diagram or in same place you do it. Okay, as in my first problem, I'm rewriting the diagram. As in the first problem, I'm rewriting a diagram in such a way like my final state I make as a non-final state and non-final state as a final state. For example, in this 3 state, which is the final state, my final state is Q2, which is a non-final state, Q0 and Q1. Hence, I do in the same way. So I write Q0, Q1, Q2. Here, I write Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2. Now, Q0 was the non-final state. Now I'll make this as a final state. Q1 was a non-final state. So now I make this as a final state. Q2 was a final state. So now I'll make this as a non-final state. Correct? Okay, now remaining everything is the same. I copy the same transaction. I send A, I will send B, I give a self loop B. Now I send A, this I send B, and this I send A. Is that clear, guys? This was a given question, holds good for the given question. Is that clear? This is the most important question. This question will be asked in the exam. They ask in a different way. For example, here the given question L like a language L. This is a normal example which have been given. They can ask in a different way, like not ending with BA argument isn't. They might ask in the other way, not ending with AB. They might ask another way, not ending with DP, not ending with AA, or not ending with 0 ones, 1 0, 0 0, 1 0. But whatever the thing is, first and foremost, thing one in a mind, whenever not ending comes, I follow these two steps. Step one says, I will design for a true string. I'll design for this string, BA. Then I make final state as a non-final state, non-final state as final state. So whenever I want to design for BA, first I write the probabilities of it. First step is I write a probability. First step a minimal string BA. So I design for B and A. Then I do a proper DFA. Where I can send A. Can I send A over here, or I can make a self loop? I can make a self loop B and the remaining thing. This was my step one. So my next step is I make non-final state as the final state as a non-final state, and hence I made this as a non-final state and a final state. Is that clear, guys? Okay, now here goes next question for you. Now, very fastly, I want everyone to design a word which has 0 ones, where the W is a word does not ends with 1 1. Does not ends with 1 1. I want everyone to make it fast, please. Meanwhile, when I erase the code, you want everyone have to show to me. The question goes like this: the word does not ends with 1 1. Make it fast. Okay, now I hope you guys have been done with the things. And okay, I want everyone to show me the answer after as soon as possible, or else, and I request you guys to comment in my YouTube page. Okay, I'll go with my next question, and next yet again a different one, because today I just thought of solving 3 different questions where the question pattern might be anything. If you know these 3 things, it will be more feasible for you. Okay, let me go with the things. A language L belongs to a word where symbols are 0 and 1. A language will a word contains zeros and 1, such that where both 0 0 and 1 1 should be a substring. Where both 0 0 and 1 1 should be a substring. Simple thing. The given question goes like this: you write anything, I don't even mind, but there should be 0 0, there should be 1 1 in a substring. I meant to say 0 0 1 1 is a substring, or 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Yes, it is substring because 0 0 is present, 1 1 is present, or else 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Here 0 0 present, 1 1 present. Here the question goes like this: there is no rule it has to start with 0 0 1 1, or there is no rule it has to end with 0 0 1 1. Think in the entire string, 0 should be continuous, 1 1 should be continuous, minimum 0 0 1 1 should be continuous. For example, if I write 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, this is a false string. If I write 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0, this is a false string. Or if I write 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, this is also a false string, because the given question says it should be both having a combination of 1 1 and 0 0. But here there is only 1 1. Okay, it has to be in a format of 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. This is a true string, because here I have 2 ones and here I have 2 zeros. Is that clear? Yeah. Now let me go with the things. Okay, I have been written a probabilities of a string. Okay, first, what is a bare minimal probability? My bare minimal probability says 0 0 1 1. Okay, I am in my bare minimal probability says 0 0 1 1. Okay, now I will take a state called Q naught and I make this as a starting state. Okay, a normal way. Okay, Hivaga, I will ask you a question for you all. Is there any rule it has to start with 0 0 1 1? Can't it be a rule like it has to start with 1 1 0 0? It can be in either way. It can be 0 0 1 1 or it can be 1 1 0 0. It can be in any way, but I have to reach my final state. That's a given question. Whatever the scenario is, I don't even mind, dude. But the thing is for me, I have to reach to a final state either if there is a 0 0 1 1 or 1 1 0 0. So here I have two things. So what I do is I make Q1. I write one string for 0, Q2, 0, 0, Q3, 1, and I make Q4, 1. So I will make this as my final state. Is that clear? Okay. Meanwhile, I'll erase this because it might be a confusion for you. Okay, now 0 0 1 1 is a thing I have been done. If there is a bare minimal string 0 0 1 1, I have to go to a final state. 0 0 1 1. Yes, I'm in the final state. Now, sir, Ulta, sir, why can't it be a 1 1 0 0? Yes, let me do it. I take Q file, I make this as 1, I make Q6, I make this as a 1, I make Q7. I make it as a 0 and I take Q. I'll go to function again. I'll make it as a 0. Ivaga, you guys trace it, guys. 0 0 1 1. I'm going to a final state. 1 1 0 0. I'm going to a final state. Sir, yes, sir. I'm done with my bare minimal string. So now, what next? Now to draw a proper DFA diagram. Proper DFA, you know. Each and every state, both zeros, ones, combination has to be there. Each and every state, both 0 1 has to be there. Okay, let me start with the things. Okay, the thing is, now I in a state called Q naught, 0 1, both input symbol used. Now I go to Q1. In a state called Q1, 0 is being used, 1 is not used. 1 is not used. So, can I write 1 here? If I write 1 here, trace mana 0 0 1 1 final state hogutte. If I write 0 1 0 1 1, andre 1 0 1 1 is also going for a final state. 1 0 1 1 is also going for a final state, and hence, one can never be in a final state, infinite. Okay, so 0. Shall I push somewhere else? Yes. Now let me push it. Can I push 1 over here? Can I push 1 over here? Just a minute. Can I push 1 over here? Yes or no? Okay. If I push 1, trace mana 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. What's my question? It has to be both 1 1 0 0. Correct? So you work 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Yep. Now it's correct. Okay. Now let me go to a state called Q5. Let me go to a state called Q5. 1 is used, 0 is not used. Correct? 1 is used, 0 is not used. Can I write 0 the self loop? Try now. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 is going for a final state. I can never write 0 and a self loop. So what I can do is I can send a 0 to some other state. Say winkles, no? Can't I send 0 here? Let me trace. 1 0 0 1 1. Hey, lovely. 1 0 0 1 1. What was my intention? It came in a proper way. 1 0 0 1 1. Correct either. Clear? Okay, now let me go to a state called Q2. 0 0 1 1, it is reaching. Here 1 is being sent. Here 1 is being sent. 1 is being sent. Okay, now which is a symbol not used? 0. So ivaga 0 and L ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. First I will think of infinite. Trace one. 0 0 2 0 has to be there. Followed with n zeros and 1 1. Yes, correct. I don't even mind. 0 0 has to be there, followed with n zeros and 1 1. I'm going for a answer and it's correct. Let me go over the state called Q6. Let me think. Now, in a state called Q6, 0 is going, 1 is not going. Can I write a self loop 1? ಇವಾಗ 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 n number of ones 0 0 2 ones are there, 2 zeros are there. That's our main target for me. Yes, I've been done with it. Clear? Okay, now I will go to a state called Q3. I go to a state called Q7. Okay, in a state called Q3, 1 is been sent, 0 is not sent. 1 is been sent and 0 is not sent. So 0. Can I make a 0 self loop over here? Yes or no? Let me trace 0 0 1 0 1. Trace again 0 0 1 0 1. I'm going for a final state. But what it has to be? 2 zeros, 2 1 has to be there. Center 0 band there. It is not taking. So what I do? I can never make 0 into a final state. So where shall I send? Can I send to a final state? No, I can't even send to a final state. So let me think. Can I send it backward? Can I send it backward? Okay, let me trace 0 0 1 0 1 1. Perfect. 0 0 1 0 0 0 n zeros 1 1. Yes, my intention has been following up properly. Is that clear? Okay, now I will go to a state called Q7. Q7 only I have been used 0, I have not used 1. So what I have to do? Shall I follow the same procedure? Can I use the self loop? Can you use self loop 1? Now 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. It's going for a final state and hence I can't use a final self loop over here. So I will send 1. Trace 1 1 0 1 n 1 0 0. Target with 1 1 0 1 0 0. It's going properly. Is that clear? Perfect. Now next, I'm in a state called Q4. Symbol 0 1 has to be used. I've not used both 0 and 1. I've not used both. So I have to use it. So in the 0 1, can I make a self loop 0 1? Can I make a self loop 0? Do I have any question like it has to end with 0, it has to end with 1? The thing is it should be substring 0 1. 0 is self loop irbodu, end ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಬಹುದು. I don't even mind. 0 1 0 0 1 1 ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. There should be 2 zeros or 2 1. It has to be there. Yes, I can write. Okay, now when I'm writing zeros, can I end with 1 also? Yes, I can end with 1 also. Is that clear, guys? This is a machine where it has to accept both the strings 0 0 and 1 1 in a substring. This is a given diagram. Okay, whenever this kind of scenario comes, guys, as I always say, I'm explaining only one problem, where in one problem any combination can be asked. See, this question says 0 0 1 1 should be a substring. There might be 1 0 0 1 as a substring. Clear? Or there can be AA BB, BB AA, AB AB. It can be either way. Okay. Thing is, we have to know the logic how to write the given diagram. Clear? Okay. For this thing, first I'll write a true string 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. First I'll write a true string and then I make to a proper DFA diagram. I hope everyone are clear about this. Is that clear? Okay. Meanwhile, when I start erasing it, there's a second which goes like this. Same old thing, a language L where W belongs to 0, 1, where both AA and BB should be a substring. Both AA and BB should be a substring. Yes, guys, make it fast, and I want everyone to write. Make it fast, please. Yep, guys. I hope you start doing it. And yes, it again the same thing. I want everyone to comment in a video where I will upload it. And yeah, let me go with the next and the last question for today's session. Okay. And this is the thing. As I've been taught you, whenever there is a string which is not a final state, I've been taught in a first question, second question. If there is a proper format in a substring, the second one, and this is the third one where this is the other type of question where they might ask you in an exam where this is here there is the language L, where the language L belongs to a word called a W. A and B are a symbol where W should accept AAB. W should accept AAB as a string. W should accept AAB as a string. So let me write a probabilities of this. In a string, AAB it should be in a continuous. I'm clear again. In a string, AAB has to be in a continuous. Okay. Okay. Now the bare minimal string is AAB. Correct. The bare minimal string AAB. Okay. Now let me start designing it. AAB and then I'll take a state called a Q0. I'll take a state called a Q1. I'll send A. I'll send A again to Q2. Clear? Clear? And I'll send B to Q3 and I mark Q3 as a final state. Is that clear? Yes. By intention has been clear, dude. AAB should be a substring. Minimal string is AAB. Whenever I get A and a B, I have to be in a final string. Yep. The first step is being done. And the next one, as I say, is to a proper DFA diagram. When I say a proper DFA diagram, both the symbols A and B must be used. Q0. A is being sent. B. Tell me please. B. Can I use the self loop or can I send here? If I send here, BAA, BAB, I'm going to final state. Hence, I will send B in a loop. I will send B in a loop. There is any rule it has to start with AAB only? No. There is no rule it has to start with AAB. It says in a string AAB continuous again. There should be continuous AAB. Okay. BAAB. Correct. NBs and AAB. Correct. Perfect. Okay. Now I'll go to state called Q1. I have to use B. So my question: can I write self loop B over here again? Okay. Trace mana. AAB. Perfect like that. A B A B. It's wrong. A B A B. I'm going to final state. It has to be A B. So the thing is, I can never send it to a final state. I can never send forward also. Can I send backward? I'll write B over here. A B A B. Correct. A B A B. A B N B A B. Correct. A B barta is stringly. So I've been done with it. Lovely. Now I'm in a state called Q2. I'm sorry. Q1 A B is being used. Q2 B is used. A is not used. So what I have to do? Q2 B is being used. A is not used. So what I have to do? Can I send back? Can I send friend? Or can I make a loop? Can I send back? Yes, I can send back. Kivaga. A B. Correct. I meant to say A. One more A B is correct. What if I write 3 A's and B? 3 A's B is correct, right? 1, 2, 3 A B. I'm going to a non-final state, so I can never send it to a backward. So what I do is, can I make a self loop A? Try madam. 3 A B is agada. A B. I'm going final state. 4 A's B. A and B. I'm going for a final state. Is that clear, guys? Okay, perfect. Okay, now next thing. In a Q3, both A and B is not used. What happened? Sir, in a string, substring AAB should be used. I've been used substring AAB. There is no rule we have to end with AAB or begin with something. So this scenario, I'll mark A comma B as a final state. Is that clear? I mark A comma B as a final state. Is that clear, guys? Okay, this is the question done. That's it. And this says there should be a given substring which has to be AAB. There should be a substring which has to be AAB. For this, I have been done. Is that clear? Yep. Okay. A puzzle question for you. A puzzle question for you. Now, okay. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. A puzzle question for you all. The puzzle question says, same question I'm doing in a reverse. A W belongs to A and B where W should not accept AB. Clear again? Listen it. W should not accept AB as a substring. W should not accept AB as a substring. Clear. First, I write for AAB. Perfect. I write for AAB and a final state. I write not. This is a non-final state. Mark is a final state. I take this is a non-final market as a final state. Correct? And there is a Q. It is a non-final state. I make it a final state. There is a Q3 non-final state. I make it as a non-final state. Clear? Non-final state is final state. And remaining all transaction will be a same. For example, this will be B. Here to here is A, and this will be again B, and this will be A, this will be A, and B, and this will be A, comma. Is that clear? Normal puzzle question which has been asked. Like this was a normal question which has been appeared, but in exam they might ask in any way, and you should never say like, sir, you have taught only string AB. But not AB accepting you're not taught under. Simple. You have to know the logic. If you know how to design for AB, not of AB is this question. Clear? These are two steps I will be solving. Yes, guys. Is that clear? Anything? This was the last one was normal, a puzzle question for you all.